Samsung looks like it's really trying to push smartphone design to the edge with the upcoming Galaxy S26 series. From what's leaking out right now, the big theme this year is all about going thinner, sleeker, and lighter, while still trying to balance battery life and durability. And honestly, the numbers we're hearing are pretty wild. Let's start with the Galaxy S26 Pro, which is replacing the standard base model. Word is, this thing is going to be just 6.7 millimeters thick. That's half a millimeter thinner than the Galaxy S25, which was already at 7.2 millimeters. Doesn't sound like a huge drop, but when you're holding the phone in your hand, you'll definitely feel it. Then there's the Galaxy S26 Edge. This one's reportedly going down to just 5.5 millimeters compared to 5.8 millimeters on the S25 Edge. To put that in perspective, Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Air is also expected to come in at around the same mark. But here's the kicker. The S26 Edge might actually pack a bigger battery, jumping from around 3,900 mAh up to 4,200 mAh. Some reports even mention Samsung testing silicon-carbon batteries, which could make this even more impressive. Now, the real spotlight is on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one drops from 8.2 millimeters on the S25 Ultra to just 7.8 millimeters. How? And keep in mind, it still has the built-in S Pen. That's the big engineering challenge here. Samsung can't really go much slimmer unless it redesigns the stylus itself, and that risks making it uncomfortable to use. There's even speculation that at some point, Samsung might have to either redesign the S Pen or go back to making it an external accessory like we saw with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Of course, all these numbers are based on leaks and prototype info, so the final dimensions could shift a little by the time the phones launch in early 2026. But what's clear is that Samsung is doubling down on thin and premium design while still trying to keep the essentials, like bigger batteries and the S Pen, in place. So yeah, if these leaks hold up, the Galaxy S26 lineup is shaping up to be Samsung's sleekest flagship series yet. So what's your take on these numbers? Share it down below in the comment section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.